Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSLA Tesla. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another day, and Tesla drifted back downwards and kind of just, plays into what I've been talking about, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos I've done on the week. But the fact that, there is this kind of just selling pressure that is existing out there. And I realize me just saying selling pressure, I fully admit those are just words, but that's also why I love technical analysis and charts. They allow you to take words and phrases and then make them more visual. And when I say selling pressure, what I'm talking about is this downtrending trend line right here, which I've had in place for quite a while. But what I do want to do after the past couple of days is actually make an adjustment, because it looks as though the more accurate way to draw it would be right here. And this has been, a very, very pinpoint accurate way almost of just forecasting where each of these levels and struggle points are. So in my mind, that is remaining the key level of resistance. And the interesting part here is now that level is basically right at that purple line too, which on my chart denotes the 50-period moving average, which is a very well-known and very famous level within the world of charts. So when you have this trend line now matching up basically right with that 50-period moving average, my point here is that right around this 682 mark, early next week is going to be a very, very interesting and very, very important level of resistance. And while nothing is guaranteed, my point here is it's a more than valid, it's a more than rational thought to have that if the price could work its way up and get a break of 682, 681, right around that general area, that could very well create some good, solid upside buying momentum. So we'll see what happens in regards to that. And then as far as levels of support are concerned, the level here that just basically stood out once again today, right down there around the 670 mark. You can see 670, generally speaking, held as support, and then held as support. So keep your eye on these couple of dynamics moving forward into next week, and let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.